What is that mysterious ticking noise? Not over here, not over there. Kind of catchy. Snape, Snape, Severus Snape, 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 Severus Snape,
Dumbledore!
Snape, Severus Snape,
Dumbledore!
Snape, Severus Snape,
Dumbledore!
Snape,
Ron,
Severus
Ron
Snape,
Weasley.
Dumbledore!
Ron,
Snape,
Ron,
Severus
Ron
Snape,
Weasley.
Snape,
Ron,
Hermione.
Ron,
Severus
Ron
Snape,
Weasley.
Dumbledore!
Ron,
Hermione.
Ron,
Severus
Hermione.
Snape,
Dumbledore!
Harry
Potter, Harry Potter,
Hermione.
Harry Potter, Harry Potter, yeah, Harry Potter, Harry Potter, Harry Potter, Harry Potter, that's me,
Snape,
Harry,
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 Dumbledore! Hermione. Dumbledore.
Snape.
Harry
Hermione.
Potter, I'm Harry
Hermione.
Potter,
Dumbledore.
I'm Harry
Hermione.
Potter, Harry
Hermione.
Potter,
singing our song all day long at Hogwarts.
I found the source of the ticking. It's a pipe bomb.
Yay!
Voldemort, Voldemort, ooh, Voldemort.